In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on this Ford Escape. This happens to have the 2.0 liter EcoBoost engine. Let's get into it. Take the wiper arms off, just use a pick. We'll take this little cover off on the side. Just get underneath there, pop that cover off. Using a 15mm socket, take this nut off. Grab the arm, you just want to rock it back and forth, get it to separate. Slide that off out of the way. Do the same on the other side. I'm going to take these clips off, just use a pick, get underneath the clip. These ones over here have like an extra clip. Get underneath there, pop those out. And grab this cowl and just lift up. There you go. It's just clipped in underneath. Those clips just push down. Using a T25 socket, we're going to take these two screws out. And that's just going to sit right there. Using a 8mm socket, take these screws out. That's loose, then do the same on the other side. Now grab this panel, and it pulls right out. Remove the engine cover just underneath. Just grab and pull up. Just some grommets holding it in. Loosen up this worm clamp right here. I'm going to use a 7mm socket. Using an 8mm socket, loosen up this worm clamp. That's good. Disconnect this hose. There's a tab on the top and a tab on the bottom. Just squeeze those. You can release it. Slide that off. There's one bolt right here. Take that bolt out. Use an 8mm socket. And grab this snorkel. And it comes right off. On the back, there's a pipe right here. You just want to squeeze the tabs to release it. And that comes off. You just squeeze right there, and that separates. Remove this bolt, use an 8mm socket. Remove this tab, use a 12mm socket. It's just plastic. Take that out. Now we're going to use a 7mm socket, loosen up this worm clamp down here. Alright, that's good. It's loose. Grab this snorkel, wiggle it, and slide it out. Now take this hose off. Just pinch these two, just like that. Slide that out of the way. Now in the back here, behind this fuel pump, there is a connector for the O2 sensor. You want to pop that off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get behind there, where the retainer is. There we go. There's the connector. I'm going to disconnect the connector. Then we'll disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. If you need to, you can just pry it out. Just use a prying tool. And that's good. That's loose. Now taking a O2 sensor socket. This is a 22mm socket with a slice in it so that you can get around the wire. Just unscrew it. And it comes right out. There it is. Take the Upstream O2 sensor, get that lined up. Start it by hand. All right. Now put the socket on. The O2 sensor socket over the wire. Tighten that down. I'm going to torque that to 35 foot-pounds. All right, that's good. Take off the socket. And grab the wire. And bring it up to the connector. I'll connect the connector. Line it up, and with the push pins on the connector, slide that into the bracket. There we go. It's good. And take the hose and slide that in place. Now take this pipe and slide it down. Get this lined up here. Take this tab and the bolt, and we'll tighten those down. Snug that down, and snug that one down. And I'll tighten that worm clamp. All right, tighten that down. And I'll put this pipe on. Get that lined up, lock that down. Now take this pipe, slide that in place, connect this pipe to that pipe. That's good. And take this screw, get that started. I'll tighten that down. I'll tighten up this worm clamp. Just snug. And I tighten down this worm clamp. Just snug. That's good. Take the engine cover, line it up, and lock it down. I'll take the shield, line it up. It's good. And take these bolts, get those started. And we can tighten those down. Snug, that's good. Do the same on this side. Snug that down. And then put these 2 screws in. Hold the reservoir up. Get that lined up. Tighten those down. It's good. And take this panel, slide it in place. There we go. Put these clips in. I'll put the wiper arms on. Make sure they're in the same place on the windshield when you took them off. Put the nuts on. Tighten those down. And you'll put the cap on. Do the same on the other side. Snug those down. Put the cap on. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.